Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can become eligible for option trading in Robinhood. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then click on this profile icon from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on this three-line menu. Now from this screen, you have to click on this investing option. From here, you have to scroll down and at the bottom of your screen, you will find this section option trading and it will be disabled. Now you have to click on this button enable option trading and then you have to just follow the on screen instructions to sign up for your option trading. Click on sign up button, then click on continue, and then you just have to answer some questions about your life. If you have the advice, so you have to answer this question according to your current situation. And once you do that, you will be able to see your investor profile. So if you want to change anything from here, you can simply tap on it and change any value. And once you have review your investor profile, click on this review button and then you have to agree to their agreement, options agreement. Click on continue, and then if your account has been approved, they will take some time to approve your account, and once it has been approved, you will become eligible for option trading in your Robinhood. Click on continue and start trading in your options. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.